Howdy, it's Jim Morado, and this is late April, early May, and we stopped by briefly. We stopped by Just Love Coffee in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's right next to Griff's, another place I'm very fond of in Bowling Green. I just wanted to put up a really short video on this place. Cozy coffee shop, great use of space, and they know how to make a drink. I had a latte with oat milk that was probably the best latte I've had in my life. And my wife has been getting matcha tea, and she's gotten pretty particular about it. She says a lot of places don't know how to do them right, and she said this was the best one she'd had. I've actually mentioned Just Love Coffee. There's one down by Stones River, the National Battlefield in Nashville, and I've mentioned that on my blog, KentuckyTravels.blogspot.com. And this is another one. It looks like there's less than a dozen Just Love Coffees, mostly scattered throughout the Tennessee area. In fact, one of the kind people working here on this particular day let me know that this is the furthest north location for Just Love Coffee. And just look at it. It's just a nice, clean coffee shop. It's decorated nicely. Again, it's a really nice use of space. And we had a little dessert there too that was really good. There was a fellow going around making sure everybody, had silverware. Just kind of asking if everybody was okay. I mean, this is an attentive place with a lot of heart. I really like what they're doing. And yeah, there was my wife's drink that was just she was really happy with it. So anyway, this is a great place to stop. If you're going to Bowling Green, which is a great town, it passed up Owensboro is the third largest city in Kentucky. As a former resident of Owensboro, I'm a little sore about that, but Bowling Green's a great town. They got a minor league baseball team. They've just got so much going for them, and they have Just Love Coffee right next to Griff's. You can go to Griff's, have a nice lunch, and then go to Just Love Coffee and enjoy a nice beverage, to kind of end your day in Bowling Green. So I just wanted to mention them. I really, really like what they're doing. I'd like to see them expand. Maybe think about a Lexington location. That would be great. Oh yeah, they've got one of those little library shelves in the back. I think those are great. But yeah, anyway, Just Love Coffee in Bowling Green, Kentucky.